The discount factor measures the present value of an investment future worth. Any discount factor equation uses the assumption that today's money will be worth less in the future due to factors like inflation, which gives the discount factor a value between 0 and 1. Here's how, by using discount factor and applying it to free cash flow and terminal value, you can calculate enterprise value for the DCF financial model. You have free cash flows for the projected periods. You calculated terminal value, and now you need to apply discount factor to free cash flows and terminal value to calculate the enterprise value. The formula for the discount factor is 1 divided by 1 plus WACC in the power of the projected year, whether it's first, second, third, and so on and so forth. Let's calculate discount factor in our example. So my discount factor will be equal to 1 divided by my WACC. I'm gonna anchor my WACC to make sure that I can fill the formula to the right with no damage, plus 1, and in the power of, here I listed projected years from the first to the 6th one, so I'm gonna grab the first projected year here. And then my discounted free cash flow will be a sum of free cash flow and terminal value for the last year multiplied by my discount factor. I like the formula, I'm gonna fill it to the right, and I will check that it grabbed my terminal value and free cash flows both for the last projected years and applied discount factor to it. And now the last step is to calculate enterprise value, which is a sum of my present values of free cash flows and terminal value. After that, by using the bridge, you can calculate equity value and value per share for the company.